Sup guys, today I will show you how to fix Dank City Dynasty sound problem. If you have sound problem on your game, open the settings of your device first, click on apps option right now and search for Dank City Dynasty and click. Scroll down this list, click storage and click clear cache. And here back, click at force stop and click OK. Move to your Play Store or App Store and try to update Dank City Dynasty. Restart here your device and that's all. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.